guys, SG here, and today we're going to be doing another Call of Duty Advanced Warfare video, and today we're going to be doing a review of the new DLC gun that is coming out for Call of Duty in the Ascend DLC. We're going to be using the OHM 10 damage, 6 accuracy, and some other stuff. You can pause the video if you want to see. There was another video that, other version of the gun that's called the Werewolf, and minuses accuracy and adds handling. Handling is basically how fast you can move with the weapon, and mobility, I just said that. Never mind, like, you can pause the video if you wanted to see that. So we're going to be using that weapon, and I'm going to start doing a series where we're going to be reviewing weapons like elite variants and other things like that. So there's also a shotgun mode that is really fast with the probably the fastest shooting shotgun in the game. Yeah, definitely, actually. Not probably, but definitely. Okay. Where'd he go? Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that dude. He went away. Okay, we got him. Okay, just destroyed both of us. He was kind of head glitching behind those. As you can see, you run really slow with this weapon. I'm gonna try to, be as active as I can. This gameplay, we got our first kill and our second death. Well, you're not doing too good. By the way, this was the map when I did my first double kill. Let's go. That was actually not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get a kill with the shotgun mode here. Yeah, he just punched me because he could, and yeah, I was next to him, and he punched me, and that was crazy awesome. No, it wasn't. Okay, he just turned around and destroyed me. Well, this gun has a bit of recoil and a bit of wiggling when you shoot it, like to every single gun. Ain't I right? Okay, I got him. Let's reload really quickly. Oh, that wasn't an enemy. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, if you want to be like that, I could be like that. And I can be very well with this. Oh. I went on a, I'm trying to kill this dude. I went on a 12 kill streak, 2 games ago with this weapon. So, I have to say this weapon isn't bad, but you have to learn how to use it, because it is literally my 3rd game using this gun, and I really am not doing well right now. But everyone has their own days. I just got online, so yeah. Here's a good time to. Oh, nope, that was totally a horrible time to use shotgun. Didn't even shoot once. Okay. I might just start camping here. Or he'll just destroy me with a bow. Yeah, too much recoil. I couldn't get him. Yep, and he gets. I'm just really doing bad this game. Okay. For some reason, that had a lot of recoil. Yeah, I'm not reloading just for 4 bullets. Okay, I swear, if he turned around and killed me, that would have been really, really bad. Okay, go ahead, just snipe me. Just snipe me. My goal is to not go negative this game. That's all. Oh my god. I hate people who just go for the punch and don't even try to shoot. I mean, if he was shooting instead, I would have killed him. That's why I really wanted him to shoot.
Incoming enemy care package.
Okay. A sniper killed.
Enemy recon drone detected.
Come on. Reload. Freaking reload. Oh my god. Drone block. And he punches me. This is really getting on my nerves. Go, go, go. I don't want the game to end so quickly. Okay. That is great. That is totally awesome. I know I'd die. I mean, standing up there when there's a sniper at the window isn't a smart idea. Anyways, there's no cover up there, so...
Nothing more we can do here, Sentinel.
I guess I didn't do good at all. I went 9 and 17. I haven't went negative in a long time. But I guess I'm really tired. It's 10 o'clock. Yeah. We'll just do another game. It's fun. I might actually put a few attachments on it. See if it gets better. I actually don't need this. I actually need lightweight to move faster. Because you move really slow with this weapon. Actually, next game, let's use this one. Yeah, and just that attachment. The werewolf does look better, but as you can see in my previous videos, as you saw in my previous videos, I was trying to get my assault rifles diamond, and I do have royalty. As you can see, I have all camos for every single assault rifle, which I'm pretty happy for that. The AK-12 does look really good with it, as you can see. The royalty camo, I think personally, is in COD history the best camo. Like literally, it looks so good. Also, tell me guys in the comments below if you guys want me to do 2 games in one video or just one to make it a bit shorter. I'm doing 2 games because I did really bad last game. So, yeah. Okay, where's that going? Oh, there it is.
Team deathmatch.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm aiming way faster since I have an attachment that makes your aim,
We've taken the lead.
makes you aim in faster. So, got our first kill. Not bad. Shotgun mode. Let's go. Okay, the other guy, the other guy far away killed me. I didn't notice him. I was right in the open. Obviously, he would kill me. Okay, nah, man. Obviously, this version is worse because it has less accuracy. And less accuracy is always horrible. I guess he'd obviously kill me because he has the ASM-1. ASM-1 is the best gun in the game. I at least I think. We're gonna be going over that in a few videos. I've been saying this too much, but I'm gonna actually start doing videos because I thought of that. Really, man? Really? Using a noob tube? That ain't cool, bro. That is 0% cool. That isn't cool either because you stole my kill. And that was totally my kill. Dang it. This gun makes a really cool sound when you reload. It's like, overall, I think this gun is one of the best guns. Look at that. I'm just picking people off like nothing. No, reload. Yeah. The shotgun mode isn't too accurate, but in close range it's 1 to 2 shot. And I did shoot him like quite a bit, but whatever. We're not doing that bad. Ah. He had me. There's no way I could get him. Apparently he did too.
Friendly UAV above.
I'm camping. Whoa, what's going on? I can hear so many people. Oh, get turned on! Oh, that was epic. He must be raging. Okay. Yeah, I totally missed all my shots. Yeah, you see, like in those type of situations, shotgun mode is perfect. Also, there's a laser, if you guys are wondering what the first mode is it's an LMG and a shotgun combined. And it looks a lot like the Ripper from Call of Duty Ghosts. I don't know if I already said that. Okay. 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 That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. I don't know how I died there. That was horrible. Okay, I'm not dying from that. I died from that before, and then I just left automatically. Yeah, like those situations, perfect timing, perfect timing. Nice job, by the way, if you guys don't know, my real name is Evan. Because some people who don't know me in real life watch my channel, so.
By the radar tower.
Most people do know me. And I do kind of sound sick, so sorry about that. Got the last kill, guys.
Nice work, Sentinel.
That was actually really good. 2 kills for the last kill cam. Personally, I think this gun is very good. 14 and 8, not bad. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click that like button. If you want to see more, click that subscribe button. Anyways guys, keep gaming but stronger. See you guys in the next video.